In today's video, we have for you a sneak peek behind the curtain of our local SEO course. Local SEO sets the foundation for your overall SEO, and this will help you with your strategy to generate more leads or walk-in traffic to your business. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. In this video, I will explain in short what is local SEO and how it will improve the way you do business and your lifestyle. The name local SEO is a bit confusing, as many times when we speak about local SEO, clients who work regionally or nationally say this is what we need, as we don't work internationally. The fact is that local search engine optimization doesn't only mean that you will be found in your region. How it works. In Google's result pages, you sometimes get placed under the top results below the advertising in a box called places. In order to see them, you must enter location. Let's say you're going for a business in Tokyo and you search for a venue to host your event. From your home, you will not search for a conference room. You will enter in Google search conference room Tokyo. As you enter a location, Tokyo, Google will provide you with a list of local venues in Tokyo in the place box. This is what is called a local search in Google or Places. This is a simple explanation that makes it easy to understand. It's a bit more complex than that. Google is also associating certain searches automatically as local without you entering any location. With the example of a flower shop or delivery, Google will know that you are searching for local information and will automatically give you the place box with local search results. So in short, local SEO is related to searches associated with a location. In local SEO, you will also register in other directories, which will help you master your local presence online. This is a small part of searches. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at local SEO services, why you need it to grow your business. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.